Let's do the jar, see if we can get through that. It was $3, and remember it was marked for crafting. Come on, Billy Bob, bring us some luck. First thing out of it is a belt buckle. There's a mark in there, but 1981, but I can't read the name right now. That almost looks silver there. It's something broken off of something. So I'm going to have to look into that. Or it could be plated. What is with the ball? Oh, okay. Blingy. Some kind of clip-on. There's a name in there. They look like they would have a name, didn't they? Monet? Monet. They've got some wear on the sides there. This is an old, kind of an old clasp of some sort. Decorative. Welcome. Stretchy bracelet. Well, here's a cuff link with a piece of a stone of some type on there. That's interesting. I think we're focusing on the jar in the back. Here's a pendant. Is it an Easter egg? It might be missing part of it. I don't know. But it's beautiful purple tulip. Since we're sort of pressed for time, I'm just kind of glancing. So, wasn't a lot in this jar. These are a lot of beads. It looks like it was just a bracelet plastic that broke open. Here's some pieces of leather. Yeah, they were right for crafting. Together we can make a difference. That's nice and substantial. But it's not silver.